Well, this is what it looks like right now because I don't have a hair system on, but I'm putting on a brand new one. Today, we're gonna be going with the Mars from Lavivid. So this is an 80% density unit with Swiss lace, right? So this is a really great unit. It's one of my favorite units from Lavivid. I'm gonna be installing it today. I'm actually just gonna show you the before and after transformation, right? So this is what I look like before. I know, guys, quite sexy, right? Don't at me. I'll be taking you along and then showing you the cut in, how it looks in every stage and the final result. Okay, let's go. So we're about halfway through right now. I'm actually cutting down the base. You can see all this excess material, all that kind of stuff. So now I'm actually gonna tape it up. Then I'm gonna actually wash my head and then I'm gonna get ready for this cut in, okay? All right, final look. Now we're gonna get the haircut now. And here we are, guys. Here's the final output. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna style it. So let's see what we can get for a final result. The reason I am doing this is to show you that it actually takes like a wash or two until your hair really gets kind of where you want it to be. See, after one single wash right here, you can already see that the hair is calming down a lot, right? And it's starting to change shape. It's starting to kind of approach what might be more of its final look, a look that's a little bit more appropriate, you know, because like yesterday, if we compared it to, it was just not really in the spot that we wanted it. It was very, very poofy. This is just one wash and it's already starting to die down a little bit. This is the natural evolution that you're gonna have to go through with your hair systems. You can pre-wash them as well. That's something that a lot of people do. And it's just a way to speed up the whole process. If you don't wanna have to deal with this while it's on your head, you can wash it, 5-6 times before you ever put it on. And that will reduce the puffiness, get rid of that kind of like initial permy stage where the hair is just really unruly and it doesn't do what you want. So that's kind of my pro tip. Now, one of the reasons that I really like the Mars, which is what I'm wearing right here, and thanks to Lavivid for sponsoring this as well as sending me a unit, is because it does have the right balance of things. It has the Swiss lace base, which is really, really great for somebody that's active like me, who's constantly moving and constantly sweating, and I sweat like a dog. It is also a lighter density, so it looks appropriate, and it will continue to look more appropriate as the hair settles in. And that's really good for those people that are kind of, getting into that, especially that 30 plus range, which I am getting to be an old dog, you know what I mean? So these are the things that draw me in towards using the Mars, along with the fact that really lace is extremely easy to manage. A lot of people have this misconception when it comes to lace that it's going to be very, very difficult if you use tape, or that you can't use tape. But the reality is it might be probably simpler to use tape than use liquid on a lace, and might actually just be better in general. Because with liquid, the main issue that you have is really the fact that if you sweat a lot, it can actually start to liquefy. The liquid can liquefy again. And once it does that, it can seep up. It can kind of like go up through the lace and into the hair. And when that happens, it's not fun and it's not good for your hair. It's not a good look. And it becomes really, really hard to manage. Like nearly impossible to manage. So, with tape, you don't usually get that. If you go a very, very long time with your tape and it completely disintegrates down to like a liquefied thing, yeah, it can happen. But generally speaking, it doesn't. If you just change your tape, every 7 to 10 days, it should be more than enough. So that's why I go with the Mars. That's why I go with tape on these right here. And I think it looks great. I was just playing paddle tonight and a friend of mine was telling me, it's like, dude, didn't even know. Because I actually did tell him. I did tell him that I'm wearing an air system. He didn't even know, right? And that's the reality. I want that for you guys as well, where people don't even know. People have no clue. And you can just go about your life and live it. And it'll be amazing. So with that being said, I do encourage you to check out the Mars. Check out a Swiss lace from Lavivid. And just go on with enjoying life. I'll catch you later.